It's alright that I can't fly. I will remain beside where you are, even if I don't thrash toward distant skies. The heavens are already etched within me. I will become a tattered letter, shaking off all pretense to deliver my truest heart to you. This clumsy heart of mine will not leave you. I will become part of your scenery and turn into a star. Wounded hearts no longer concern me, though the world casts cruel glances and violence in my way. I will bite into a reflection on the water and build a home for you. You, the one I long to protect. I will be a bird that never shows its tears. The God who knows me best granted me grace and let me find you. I would be happy even in hell, because you were pretending to be a bird for me. I